I am a citizen. You don't own my thumb, do you? Don't tell me what to say.
All right.
Dude, he's never and he will never be my president. For the 8 years, Ghana had no president.
Hello guys, back to this channel. And we are back here again. And BullGod, our United Showbiz, so say BullGod for the past 8 years no, and some Senibuno, and one Kakrankan, BB Eveyone, and Wakazamu, Wakazababa at Isamokayano. Mona actually look crew. Just that's a command of that's and correct. Being able to on a face of Kwaku Manu no up at Mahama show. Upon a show, the one Yama Bakumi Nubio, and a Nina Betty or on the show, who heavy the now also sky be edited by me. Put Malik, but Row will say, watch that watching, being united improve your home. Akufo show. If you video.
All right, now this scene.
Na me this scene. Mesre Papa John Drama ni Mahama say. MPP for Papa omo dey ayi bi by policy bi. Ghana ye hia hwe o. Ma me mukutu dwokra me kan che papa. Me patwa me ka ma ye de en. Eh we ya ho. Me sre no. Aya na du de bia na me wra ho. De ti America say wo dem fa say wo dem ye hwehwe ni mu. Na na do ba power. What the policy ba na na ka so focus ne ko ja bibia eye one district one factory. And went me amem. Ghana for se committee warm. Ghana this year for Libya a form ye repoma e muni pa say ye the money be boy dwama wo Libya ko Qatar ko Dubai me makọ sin ayida Kuwait da ko Ghana for this year yetimi bi fra bonsan so be perform na so Ghana you go do adam or you timber papa o se kokọ ketenkete me siraw I know to say one district one factory say 24 hour adwuma no betimi aye adwuma dia e ye nyuma nkoko e betimi abie se business people no mo so adwuma mabie no mo nyuma adwuma ye no oba bia ba ye create billionaires eti opawo fisika hye wona wonu owa adwuma ni bi dada na yem promote adwuma no nurse wo komi ha papa se papa we opawo kra machine se edu boyfuo emra wa ye mo ye fence bayire ye dua bro wo baabi ye tese baabi a eye fence farming when say tomatoes na e bi ni factory ho
okay
ni pa ye adwuma baabi a se dua beans a enye yetimi the beans gu konkom timi eton sanu mo do so bro
also kasachire mo penya yi
to papa hu Omane mo bo keke send this ni betimi aya manenye wa bem se MPP ni betimi aya manenye obi ye tu fun so papa tie mesirawo bro ni pa bro krome ha you say 3 days no bi wo ko woni di ene awale for na talk kondo awale for na talk kondo say in fact won timi hwe won eti wo ko wa o so obi won so a ade no so se bi here for so aduan bi o mu di ntide bi energy no wo so to ade ka wa
Kwaku
o se sika fon timi wo
Matias
bebre so pesca
yeah so the reason is man MPP lose here they say
arrogance. Yes, arrogance. Maybe Oma can be brave, but arrogance. You know, say the day I made tea, and I mean who say Akufo Addo or catch chief say sorry, nah, Chian. You see, chiefs beefy I think say Elmina, and I'm Koshian war Jubilee House. And they were complaining about development near there.
Yeah.
Or show me no catch almost oh some me MPB na ma yima dream so.
Atmosphere Govt atamesiko.
Hey, and no sign call voter reason. Hey God. Me June one me Céasë. You know like the year me ya pan you see sometimes me busa say ade okasa obi to me kasa back na ni pa kunu kasa back obewu like Nyankopon be ababe yi ni sunsun me free mu ana because olaye ka say we are interacting me boa
sure
nti excuse me to say me kan kwasi asem a o to me say Charlie
oh yeah
omuti ho na omuti no Nketiah say you do and as me like and papa no say oh sorry na papa no say sorry na oh sorry ko ifa I don't
think madness.
yes Charlie no you see so for me that's what topped it up for me.
What's say arrogance?
Charlie so me busa say how many days naka
and then 14th, right?
14.
So let's just say we have 15 more days.
15 more days. No new president bill. 80 on
plus 7.
Yeah,
80 plus 6.
6, yeah.
So 20,
Up until
21.
21 days.
3 weeks.
It's over 3 weeks. So
Yeah, 21.
3 weeks from now, or expect say or chemwa obi be sorry. And that's all kasa obi be tie. Hey. Only the adeso or the aso and so. I'm telling you. Because you see, when you want to and one of the people, Katie Hammond, what is all Kasada? Untuminti. Yeah, Oluzi and Uti Kasano. Because we were all here when Akufo or campaigning for presidency. Pacho me pamucho, mun try me, mun pamucho. Yeah, because the guy he had no message, he was begging. On your part, sorry. Hey, wake up.
Hey.
No, Mpacho. You see, Senipa, well, can be this is say, Obi will only be 3 days. Look, we are patient people. I'm telling you. We're a bunch of patient people. Baby Anka, Insisa. So say amount to me say but ye juma mayen because you are a servant, right? You're supposed to be serving. You can't say ube to me about be ye Ghana heaven. What did they Ghana say? Some of us will forever fall for His Excellency John Dramani Mahama because who need me in a cry? To me sheni no to me kasa keke crunch no. And when that Jim said, there's nothing that I can do to satisfy everybody, no matter the policy. Over to me, the one district, one factory, about Obusu Pebibifu for you can't satisfy everybody. But he says, me braku kukaye. You should know, say, okay, man to me unsatisfied, but I should be humble and wise enough to listen. Akufo was not a listening president, and all his you done attacking and wahano. Only say I think say one of their guys came here later on. Richard Ahiagba.
Yeah, the communication. Yeah,
Vim no the better now. 3 days ago, almost press conference NDC 4 year. Hey, me trying the video go no. Yeah, you see, look. There's a video doing the rounds, yeah? There was a man who was going to vote. Kasa around so vote on. Oh, you see that?
Yeah.
How did we get here? What did they make and I say, bro? It should never happen again. I'm telling you. Me free America by, yeah? One of the engagements I wanted to go was a Mahama engagements no Kasa.
Yeah.
Nketiah na kombe chimo. Because me, I cannot hear nonsense and keep quiet. So if I do everything now, when I come into power, what will I do? Like me just here. And these are people.
He said that in the test. It was just a joke.
So we are jokers, right? No, like.
I said, yeah, can I say Chenny Din Koma? I was say, yeah, you can't demand the Pasrica.
Mpacho. Managing a country, yeah. A serious business.
So there's no room for humor.
What humor?
Oh.
No, see, listen. People's lives are at stake. Bro. Banking sector, Muguno. Do you know how many media houses collapsed? Yes. Why are we forgetting all these things? You don't play. And the annoying part is you. Anyone to all. You don't pay for water. You don't pay for lights. Almost the paper net of fuel.
Vouchers.
What did they can you see? So these people are like on a high horse.
Okay. Yeah, first na konum somra.
Wrapping up, no. We will never see their kind again. Whether in MPP or NDC or PPP. No politician should try that. Because I don't see, and that is why when you go on social media, the disrespect for politicians is on a high time rise. Yeah, to say, yeah, mamu power. To say, Sadiq Eka, no, see, he had to actually practically beg your people, right? Yeah. Special plea. Then yes,
special plea in your patch out.
So baby patch near Yaswe in. Yaswe in on the 6th. On the 6th. 7 years for our my bread. What bread? What bread? Thank you. Akufo do game way. Should you order Papa win the money hit here? Yes. Sorry, honorable.
Or a president. Also on the old friend, sorry, yes. Honorable. But Obo president, the board of trial.
Listen here, bro. Akufo for the 8 years, we have never had a president.
It's true, but and young Kwana
listen, I am a citizen. You don't own my thumb, do you? Don't tell me what to say.
All right.
Good. And he's never and he will never be my president. For the 8 years, Ghana had no president.
All right.
No, for we are Ghana for so back country. UTV to me Nyanja Parliament of one my
That's right.
And you know, a year, Omama Omaninda, Nye Makama. Say a pomba.
Yeah.
Me percent.
It's a web around you.
We are not just a member. We should be
not Maminti Kwaku Baba on this advice in America. My bab Kosoa because we won't go for Dalmas.
Oh, we couldn't come in brief. But we were Casa Cecilia, only as in Bia can be.
What should be more?
Well, you know, more so a cast after election and no man nipa back so
after election no man can view no after election no I do a test with Ghana but ni akoya yin to make Kasa 2016 ABC so police penny Nanka Bruce Flagstaff House Nkofo bi ebo no ankasa yie enye no pe Nkofo could take it over na public toilet ni abeji we say ni abeji
DJ
cast John Dumelo ya jene car mia mehene obrefo ahenako ankobia gomua Acheampong Omane omusi ni jene car what you say sano mana koso entino eno na amasade ya but me feel say in the next election no eni say BBC ikoso say to abawie na Nkofo ko hihye ni oma no mo ko take over they say obi tini fie kra na Nkofo aba say yeba ye be take over like odwen ho awon ti ase say ya na MPP for start here
almost start here
MPP for 2016 say no be o na be omo nti NDC for mamo ye na mo bi international kasa John Mahama enko stop omo Ghana no ye mba break Omane nko break interior minister ye adwuma police ye adwuma so obi ya dia enfata mo nkoche no
that's all
na mo wo aben mu wa press conference say ayi John Mahama no wo position afi no oba no ono nko kasa nkyerede Omane nko break emma bia ye adwuma bia wo criminal code no mu bia ye adwuma obi ya dia enfata mo nche no na ye make sure say sa dia no ye njai ya to abewi a every time ya sadie ni si obia de ne revenge a sheni team so otwen e bo aba na obi no obi won to kwase ya bo aba na me ne be kwa akofo obi a opo obi age ya bo aba ni wi am kwa akọ enfata hagin se ya na ye omo ye be chi omo no wonu sadie na wo ye no tiamra wo ye ne ye chiwa okay Delta Force
ya
chi omo Kumasi na omo ko bufa court no so amaje judge ni gwane edidim sa na aban ni eguba yes intino ye besre supporters no sa de no munja na yasre police force omo ya monche omo the fact say I NDC aba power interest obi abetimi ayenyope
NDC nyama power say na wo
yeah the fact some we need election no interest and for bit me dem ran no asho mo nsem ana so bit my basa enti no bi obe basa bia no mo nche no
honorable Tinubu. Yeah.
Okay, so let me take this opportunity to say congratulations to Your Excellency John Dramani Mahama. I mean, good fight to the whole NDC party. You know, I mean, everybody, you know, did so well. My brother here, you know, everybody in the space. Pablo, Banubia, you know, also want to say big shout out, a big thank you to my lawyer, Céasë, wherever you are tonight. You know, also my godfather, Julius Deborah. You know, congratulations to all of us. You know, yeah, hope it's a 70th bar. The rabbits are the fortunes of this country. And I also want to promise all the people in this administration they will pay for all their bad deeds. I promise them that. You know, the operation recover all loot. You know, and oral keke, keke. It's not oral, but oral, sir. You know, my titi say be moved to Kwanya. The more my mistake. I think staying here will help you because we have the facts, we you know, once we are sworn, you know, we are coming. Yes, we are coming after you because you've caused Ghana a great deal.
Okay.
What's the American me you know, but me Saachia